Hello, everyone. My name is Fasayo, and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of January 11th to January 17th. Wednesday, January 14th is Makar Sankranti, a Hindu holiday that marks the end of winter, the start of longer days, bountiful harvests, and symbolizes new beginnings, gratitude, and the triumph of light over darkness, with traditions like holy baths, kite flying, and sharing sweets. This festival's roots reach far back in time, originating from the ancient understanding of astronomy and agriculture in the Indian subcontinent. Makar Sankranti signifies the sun's shift into Capricorn. It is believed that on this day, Lord Vishnu defeated the demon Sankarasura, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Wednesday is also Pongal, a Hindu holiday that celebrates a bountiful harvest with gratitude to the sun god Surya, Mother Earth, and farm animals. Lastly, Wednesday is also the start of Orthodox New Year, marking January 1st as the older Julian calendar used by many Eastern Orthodox churches. Friday, January 16th is Isra and Miraj, a Muslim holiday that celebrates the miraculous night journey of Prophet Muhammad, peace be unto him. The Isra, meaning the travel that occurred at night, recalls his journey from Mecca to Jerusalem, and the Miraj, meaning ascension through the seven heavens, culminating in a divine encounter with Allah, where he received the gift of the 5 daily prayers for his community. And that's all for the World Cultural Events and Celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.